This classic Montecito home was built in 1930 and fully restored in 2020 by the renowned architects Sorel and Sorel. It's for those who appreciate old-world Mediterranean craftsmanship and beauty. It is located in the heart of Montecito's exclusive Golden Triangle and on one of its most prestigious streets. The gated property offers privacy and seclusion, expansive and unobstructed treetop, mountain, and ocean views. The elegant yet simple design, combined with breathtaking ocean and mountain views, reveal the finest architecture and craftsmanship one could ask for in this beautiful Mediterranean dream home, where custom details and stone accents set the quality and tone throughout. The villa contains 5 bedrooms, plus staff quarters, 7 full baths, 3 fireplaces, 2 bars, a billiards room, media room, gym, wine cellar, and a 6-zone Sonos music system. The voluminous entry expresses openness, providing a worthy introduction to the remainder of the home. The master suite enjoys his and her bathrooms and closets. The artful blend of hardscape and landscape elements merge to create 2.2 acres of premier outdoor living spaces with a private well. The grounds of the property encompass a stone terrace and sun porch that offer ocean and mountain views, 3 fountains, a pool, and jacuzzi. The provincial gardens include a rose garden with gazebo, fruit and nut trees, and a vegetable garden. Beauty is in the materials, where living comes to life in this stylish Montecito residence. The home was sold for $12 million in July 2021.